Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. My name is Amanda Turner and I am a licensed real estate agent in Lake Chapala, Mexico. And today we're checking out a property in, this is located in Xantepec, which is just before you get to Jocotepec from like the Ajijic area if you're traveling west on the lake. So the neighborhood is called Las Fuentes and it's a beautiful gated community. And this house is excellent. So I'm excited to show it to you today. It's got a great layout, a lot of space, very nice. A lot of space for the price, you know what I'm saying? So, but real quick, I want to give a shout out to these two adorable little girls that come into the cafe, and it's really cute because their mom's like, today they put on princess dresses and asked if they could come to El Gato Feo Cafe so they can see the real Amanda Turner. And I was like, oh my God, that's so cute. And they got all dressed up and they had their little croissants and everything, and they were so excited to be there and to see me. Anyway, so shout out to those cute little princesses that came into my cafe. And speaking to the cafe, we have a bed and breakfast and a cafe located in Ajijic Centro. If you're looking to come down and check out this area, you can stay with us. We have incentives for people who are looking to buy here. And you can go to my website, therealamandaturner.com, where you will find a link to the bed and breakfast and the cafe, which is open every day, 8 a.m. to 8 p.m. And we have excellent Wi-Fi, air conditioning, pastries, delicious coffee, best coffee in town. It was voted best coffee the last 3 years. And so from the website, you can get to the bed and breakfast, the cafe, and the MLS if you want to browse some homes in this area. If you're looking to buy or sell in the area, there's a contact form on my website that you can fill out and it'll go direct to my email. So you can contact me through there. Now, let's get to this house. This property is listed for $285,000 US. It's a 3-bedroom, 3.5 bath on one level. Construction size is 250 square meters or 2,691 square feet. The lot size is 660 square meters or 7,104 square feet. The HOA is 4,200 pesos per quarter, so you're looking at about $210 quarterly. It comes partially furnished and it's located in Jocotepec.
Es un pueblo y en cada pueblo da un sol. Las semillas brotan flores del jardinero.
Okay guys, here's the property we're looking at right here, and we're gonna zoom out a little bit so you can see where we are. We are on the carretera, pretty much. We're going to zoom out of this and you'll see that we're actually very close to Jocotepec, right over here. Let me zoom out a little more so you can actually really see what's going on. So the town where this house is located is called Xantepec, and Las Fuentes is the neighborhood, and it's beautiful, beautiful neighborhood. So that's kind of nice. You're very, very close to Joco. Joco is its own municipality. So your emergency services, hospital, police stations, paying your bills, whatever the case may be, is going to be located right here in Joko. So you're very, very close to all of those emergency services, shopping, dining, lots of really cool restaurants throughout here. It's a very Mexican town, so you're going to get a lot of that culture. And I super love Joko. I think it's a very organized, beautiful town. Their malecon is very nice. It's pretty much like all of this right here. It's huge. And the cool thing about it is that the lake is very long. It's not very wide. So when you're at the Joko malecon and you're looking down, you can't see the other side of the lake. So it looks like you're on an ocean, which is really cool. The other cool thing about Joko is all of these white tents that you see, these are berry farms. Joko is very well known for their berry farms through here. And the berry farms bring a lot of money to this town. So that's why it's so well organized and a lot of nice businesses. So there's quite a bit of money in Joko. But it's still very Mexican, which is nice because not a whole lot of expats live over here because they'd rather be, closer to Ajijic where most of the English speaking is. But if you're into immersing yourself into the culture, which you should be, and you want to learn the language and learn about the culture and everything, this is a great place to be, great area. To get from this house to the Joko Malecon would take you 6 minutes. To get from this house to Ajijic Centro is a 30-minute drive. To get from this house to the Costco that is on the, I would say, southwest side of Guadalajara is a 47-minute drive. Not too bad. To get from here to the airport is a 1 hour and 1 minute or 1 hour and 9-minute drive, depending on which direction you go. And just to give you an idea, if all this area that we call Lakeside here, if from this house to all the way over to Chapala, which is kind of the end of Lakeside, would be 42 minutes. Now, that doesn't mean it's the end of whatever's going on the lake. There are plenty of towns all along the lake here, and you can drive around the whole thing. I think one time I heard it took 3 hours, I believe, or 4 hours. Something along those lines. All right, everybody, that's it for me. If you are wanting to see more videos in this price range, you can click right here. And if you are looking to subscribe to the channel, which you totally should do, because it helps your girl out, you can click right here. So I will see you for the next video. Bye.